Ermanator air scrubbers are truly unique. They don't look like any other air scrubbers on the market today. Why? It's simple. Unlike competitive units, our air scrubbers are not designed using off-the-shelf components from the HVAC industry. Customers demanded a smaller, lighter 600 CFM air scrubber, so we developed the A600. With its compact design and many features, the A600 has quickly become a favorite in the restoration and remediation market all over the world. It's only 15 inches by 17 inches by 17 inches and weighs only 41 pounds, and it is one of the smoothest high-performance air scrubbers on the market. The Ermanator A600 has many features. A fold-down handle and rubber feet make for easy stacking of the unit when multiple units are needed. The Ermanator A600 comes complete with a protective cover, a pre-filter, and an easy removable HEPA filter. The Ermanator HEPA filters are all individually tested and rated at 99.99 at 0.3 micron. The Ermanator HEPA filter comes with double sealing on the front and the back, and when it's locked in place with the cam locks, it's sealed on both sides. This makes the Ermanator air scrubber Class 100 Air approved, and it meets all the regulations for ISO 5. The Ermanator A600 comes with an 8-inch exhaust outlet. It comes complete with double warning lights. The first one warns if there's a broken or a HEPA leak, and the second one warns if there is damage and the filter is clogged. The A600 comes with 2 speeds, one for CFM of 300 and one for CFM of 600. It has the dual plug for daisy chaining of multiple units and a standard power cord. The A600 also comes with an hour meter. If a higher capacity unit is needed, Ermanator has the A1200 with all the same features as the A600 and 2 speeds for 600 CFM and 1200 CFM. With pre-filters and HEPA filters installed, the A600 produces 300 or 600 CFM. Without any filters, it's been tested to do 750 CFM. On the A1200, without filters, it produces 1850 CFM. With pre-filter and HEPA filter installed, it produces 600 CFM at the low speed and 1200 at the high speed.